Hello, and welcome to Layers of Living Water. Are you tired of people telling you how to live your life? Are you tired of thinking that people are always telling you to do something different? Well, listen in to today's story. I'm going to give you the answer of how you can make sure that you can totally do what you want to do and follow your dream. There were some friends all decided to go into farmer. They had big tracts of land and they said, we're all going to go into the farming business. So each one studied their land. Each one looked at what they wanted to grow. Some said, I'm going to grow beans. Some said, I'm going to grow corn. Some said, I'm going to grow squash, some potatoes. Each one chose their own crop that they wanted to grow. This one gentleman looked at it and he said, I want to do something different. I want to build something. I want to grow something substantial that will last for generations to come. So he looked at it and he said, I'm going to grow bamboo. So each of the farmers bought their seeds and they began to plow and plant their fields. They were ready to go. They were starting to water. Each one of them was watching every day anxiously. They watered, for they had planted the seeds and they were expecting a harvest to come. Well, the gentleman that planted the bamboo seeds was out there watering every day. He would look around him and he'd see his friends' fields had little shoots coming up. Nothing was coming up in his field. Pretty soon, all the other fields turned green. The plants were coming up. And everybody was laughing at him, saying, what are you doing? You're watering soil, no shoots, nothing's happening. The farmer just kept on watering the bamboo. He just kept on doing what he knew he needed to do. Season 1 ended and all his friends had harvested and they were laughing at him. They said, I cannot believe you went a whole year watering dirt, nothing happening. They got into season 2 and said, well, hopefully you'll do something different this year. And again, the same thing happened. His friends' shoots came up. Their fields turned less green. They harvested their fruits or vegetables, whatever they were growing. And he just kept watering the dirt. He knew he had to keep on his course and on his plan. Well, you can imagine what the friends were doing to him at the end of the second year. Why don't you just plow that field up? You've done this for 2 years now and you don't even have a shoot. You have dirt. Season 3 came. Out they went, everybody planting their seeds, except for the bamboo farmer. He just kept watering the fields. And again on the 3rd year it happened. And the friends gave him more grief. They said, I can't believe you've done this. Now you're going to miss 3 years of harvest. You're watering dirt. You don't even have a shoot. Plow it up. Turn it under. Change your mind. Do something different. And the gentleman that wanted to do bamboo said, no, I know in my heart this is right. I'm going to keep going. He kept watering the fields no matter how people laughed at him. He kept on. He stayed the course. He knew he had studied. He knew what was right. He knew what was going to happen. So the 4th year came. Here we go again. All the gentlemen planting their fields on the crops they had chosen to grow. The bamboo man goes out there and just watering. Not nary a shoot coming up anywhere. Pulling weeds, keeping everything perfect, keeping watering. Everybody laughing at him. Everybody saying, oh, you're a fool. Now you're going to miss 4 seasons. You've wasted all the water. You've wasted all this time. I can't believe you're doing this. But the bamboo farmer said, I'm staying the course. They went through the 4th year and the same thing. And now they got to the 5th year. Can you imagine? 5 years, people giving him grief, people telling him, you must be crazy, you've lost 4 years, and now you're going to do the same thing again? The bamboo farmer was just about to the point. He said, Maybe these guys are right. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I read something wrong. Maybe I did something wrong. I just don't know. But down deep inside of him, something said, keep going, keep going. Something's happening. You just don't see it. Action is taking place. You just don't see it. So he said, okay, I'm staying the course. He kept watering. Well, all of a sudden this year, shoots in the bamboo field started to pop up. Not only did they pop up, but they were growing way faster than what his friends' fields were. He kept watering, he kept weeding, and guess what? In a matter of just a couple months, he had bamboo that was 80 feet tall. Wasn't anybody laughing now. Their crops came up and were growing, but nothing could compare to what the bamboo was doing. Well, my friend, your life may be the same. You may be saying, I'm doing everything. I'm going to work every day. I'm putting in the time. I'm doing what I need to do, but nothing's happening. I studied it. I chose my course. I've done this all correctly, but nothing is happening for me. Well, you see, the bamboo, people said nothing's happening, but the reality of the situation is much was happening underground. You just could not see it. The growth of the bamboo was spreading out its roots. It was getting prepared for explosive growth. For it knew that when the time came, the bamboo would come out of the ground and grow exponentially faster than anything else. You may be the same way, my friend. Don't give up today. Don't listen to people try to tell you to do something different. If you've set your course, keep growing, keep going, keep studying, stay on the plan that you've put forth. For when the time is right, when you have grown enough where your structure is able to support explosive growth, all of a sudden everything will take off. And you will find a great harvest. You can be like the bamboo farmer. Everybody laughed. Everybody said you're a fool. But yet in the end, when the bamboo grew and grew so fast, and then the other farmers learned that because the root structure was so strong underneath, he didn't have to go back each year and reseed the field. Once he harvested the bamboo, new shoots would pop up and grow at the same speed. So my friend, choose your course. Choose your plan. Set it in motion. Make sure you are putting in the effort. And if other people are trying to tell you what to do, don't get off your plan. Stay true just as the bamboo farmer did. For you know when the time comes, everything you're working for will happen if you stay the course. Thank you for listening to Layers of Living the Water. Make sure you share this program with your friends and come back each and every week as once again we study another life lesson. Learn how to live better. Learn how to grow better. Learn how to make our life different. And when you do, you will enjoy the happiness and reap the rewards thereof. Thanks for watching.